Have you ever wondered why movie villains resonate with us on such a deep emotional level? I know I do, because for decades I've been fascinated by them. Watching slashes like A Nightmare on Elm Street as a kid was scary. And being scared was great, the tension made me feel alive. But let me tell you something, these villains are not just figments of our imagination. No, they represent something much deeper. They are part of our human experience. And as a video creator and visual storyteller, it's very important to understand this symbolism in order to illuminate our own stories. Now let's bring these villains into the light and reveal their symbology. Are you ready to enter the villain's lair? Welcome to Video State. On this channel I'll teach you how to create binge-worthy video content. So like, subscribe and leave a comment if you want some more. So villains represent obstacles. And in order to defeat them, we must face them. And in order to face them, we must seek them out.
I'm about to meet Freddy. Yes.
Here are 5 villains you deal with as a video creator. 1. The manipulator. Just as villains manipulate people and situations in movies, video creators encounter obstacles that try to manipulate their vision and creativity. These can be external factors such as budget limitations or time constraints, but also internal factors such as self-doubt or conflicting ideas. 2. The fearmonger. Similar to how villains spread fear and uncertainty in movies, video creators can face challenges that evoke fear and self-doubt. This could involve fear of failure, fear of criticism, and fear of stepping out of your comfort zone. Overcoming these fears is crucial for video creators in order to get to the level of creativity that is needed to produce binge-worthy video content. 3. The power-hungry. In movies, power-hungry villains, they seek dominance and control. Similar, we as video creators, we may encounter obstacles that challenge our authority or control over our creative projects. This could come in the form of clients or colleagues that impose strict guidelines or limit our creative freedom to the project. Finding a balance here is often a heroic endeavor. 4. The shadow self. Well, just as villains embody the darker aspects of human nature, we may find ourselves surrounded by our own internal demons, such as perfectionism, self-doubt, or even imposter syndrome. And these internal battles, they hinder our creativity and limit our artistic expression. Practice self-compassion for the beautiful stuff that you create in order to overcome and defeat this internal villain. 5. The time thief. Much like villains who often steal time or disrupt plans in movies, we as video creators, we often encounter obstacles that challenge our own time management skills. Deadlines, multitasking and setbacks, they steal our valuable time and hinder our creative process. Learning how to work with time management strategies such as a production schedule will help us defeat these villains. By drawing a parallel between movie villains and the obstacles that we face as video creators, I hope that you understand that just like heroes in movies, we need to overcome our challenges in order to discover our true potential. And in our case, that's creating binge-worthy video content, because only after we can truly inspire an audience. I hope you found some value here. I'll be back next week. Thanks for watching. I'll be back.